I think it's improved our business by being able to communicate with the insurance companies directly and the customers at the same time. It's a one-stop shop.
When I'm writing an estimate, they find the parts out there for us that we can kind of pick and choose what is closest to us and more available to us. I like the fact that it communicates with our customers. CCC all around is kind of a very customer and user-friendly system.
I think for me, the best feature for CCC is definitely going to be the customer communication part of it. It sends them a survey, text updates automatically, and you can set which days for the customer to get the communications.
I would say I would highly recommend, if they're a body shop, using CCC as their estimating system. CCC is just bar none the best estimating system out there, in my opinion. Everyone has their own system that they use, but CCC is my preference.
It's the only management system that I've personally used, but I couldn't imagine using something else.